So you're gonna sprawl back a little bit more. Okay, now turn that elbow. Boom. Get it down, get it down, get it down, get it down. You're right there. There you go. Throw your hips. Good. Perfect. Boom. Right there. You're good.
See how
You're going right here and they're going right. Why are you going for a double? You're already in a bad position, right?
do whatever I need.
So you see that leg?
Do that.
That's the move that I'm just trying to do the chiropractic on.
All you're gonna do, I would call it a sidewinder. I don't know the original name. Right there. There you go. Now run this way. Keep going. There you go. What? You literally need to take 5 to 6 steps.
And you hit it, right? In your mind, you need to think run, right? So I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna go. You gotta chop the
Don't stop. This is what I want. You're here. All I want is when you pick him up,
Good, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it.
go. Boom. Turn.
Oh my god.
Good. Good. But you're picking him up. What happens if you pick him up?
You alright?
You gotta bring him down softly. I don't want you picking him up. I want you literally doing this. I want you to lift the leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Okay? Do it. Now, I want you to lift this leg past your leg. And I want this leg just a little bit. So when you drive, you're driving this way, Brooke. Not towards me. You're literally driving across his body. Ready? Go. Boom. Go, 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 go. Go, keep going. Nice. But you didn't stop. Okay? You literally have to drive him. You're here. Boom, like this. Okay? Here, get up. Boom, boom. Feel what I'm doing? The head. And then at the last minute.
Whoa, that's
Okay? Take the leg up as high as you can. Boom. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Boom. There you go. Now you just got to get the knee out. Okay? Right.
Oh yeah, I did.
So here, right, Brooke? He's there. Boom. Use that to pry, right? I drive, drive my knee in his hip here. Boom, boom here. In my back, right? Squeeze my hips.
Every time we're
Right here. You use this foot, like if he's trying to move this foot around, right? I can move this foot. If he's trying to use his hips and walk him out, I'm going to use this foot. If he bellies towards me, punch. Bellies away, hook. Bellies towards me, punch. But the whole time,
Yeah, are you watching this, dude?
Yes, I
nice
am.
and tight, okay?
No,
Because
you're
as
not.
soon as you lose this, right? And I'm here. See how much room his hips have?
Now he can start.
Now you can get it back in here. You can fix it, right? But every single tilt.
I like lift and drive. I'm just driving.
But